In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up payments for partners on PartnerStack. If you're new to the platform and need help getting your partners paid, stick around because I'll walk you through everything step by step. PartnerStack is a powerful platform that allows you to manage and automate partner payments. But before we dive in, if you're looking to try out PartnerStack for free with some exclusive bonuses, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First things first, to set up payments for your partners on PartnerStack, you'll need to have admin access to your PartnerStack account. Once you're logged in, go to the Payments Auth section from your dashboard. This is where you'll set up payment methods, schedules, and more for your partners. You'll notice the first thing you'll need to do is connect a payment provider. PartnerStack integrates with a variety of providers like PayPal, Stripe, and others, so you can choose what's best for you. To do this, click on the Add Payment Method button and follow the prompts to connect your chosen provider. This is a crucial step because it'll ensure that your payments are processed smoothly and efficiently. Once your payment method is connected, the next step is to define payment rules. You'll be able to set the frequency of payments, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on what works for your business. This is essential for keeping things organized and predictable for your partners. After that, you'll want to set payment tiers or percentages. This is where you can define how much your partners will earn based on their performance, whether it's a flat fee per sale, a percentage of revenue, or a mix of both. It's important to ensure that the payment structure aligns with the goals of your business and motivates your partners to perform well. Next, let's talk about tracking your partner payments. PartnerStack provides a clear dashboard where you can see exactly how much each partner is owed and the status of their payments. This is great for keeping everything transparent and making sure there are no surprises when it comes time to pay out. To make your life even easier, PartnerStack has an automatic payment option, so you don't have to manually process payments each time. You can set the system to automatically pay your partners according to the payment schedule you have set up. This feature is a huge time saver, especially if you have a lot of partners. Finally, before you wrap things up, you'll want to ensure that your tax and compliance information is in order. PartnerStack helps you manage tax details, and it's important to ensure that the payments are properly recorded for reporting purposes. This way, both you and your partners can stay compliant with tax regulations. Now, as promised, let me remind you that if you want to try out PartnerStack for free, you can do so using the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. This will give you the opportunity to dive deeper into the software and really explore all the features, including the payment setup process. So, to summarize, connect your payment provider, set payment schedules and rules, track payments, and automate the process to make managing your partners as easy as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below to start your free trial of PartnerStack today.